Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, finished in an eye-catching candy red paint that highlights its timeless body lines. The exterior color is perfectly complemented by a fully custom red interior, creating a striking and cohesive appearance from every angle. Under the hood, it runs on gasoline and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience whether on city streets or open highways. The truck has been upgraded with Riddler wheels that not only enhance its aggressive stance but are also wrapped in brand new tires on all four corners, ensuring excellent grip and a confident ride. Inside, a full sound system has been professionally installed, making every drive more enjoyable with high-quality audio performance. The interior has been completely reimagined, featuring custom upholstery and trim that elevate the cabin beyond factory standards.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, head-turning daily driver with around 200,000 miles.
It's powered by a V8 350 engine and an automatic 700R4 transmission, recently upgraded with a new distributor and spark plug wires for reliable performance. The truck features a brand new AC system with a new condenser and dual electric fans, keeping the cabin cool. It sits on a lowered suspension with a C-notch and upgraded front components, offering a clean stance and better handling. Finished in blue inside and out, it rides on rally wheels with new tires and includes a sound system for added comfort. While it's not a show truck, it runs and drives well and definitely stands out on the road. Number 3.
1971 Ford F150, price $8,000. This is a classic pickup with just 92,500 miles and an automatic transmission. The truck retains its original white exterior color, complemented by a clean title that speaks to its well-documented history. Under the hood, the engine has been fully restored with a recent overhaul that includes painted cylinders, giving it a near-like new condition. It runs strong and smooth, promising years of reliable performance for its next owner. The restoration stays true to its heritage, with an authentic paint job that reflects the truck's original color scheme and captures the timeless look of the early 70s. Inside the cab, the interior remains clean and well-maintained, featuring seat covers that not only enhance comfort but also protect the original upholstery.
Number 4. 1988 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,800, in a classic brown exterior with a matching brown interior. This truck has 229,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title and successfully passed a smog check on March 13, 2025. Although it has been on non-operational status, it now runs strong thanks to a newly rebuilt engine. In addition to the engine, the truck has received several recent upgrades, including a new distributor, new gaskets, new belts, fresh coolant, a brand new battery, and new tires. All gauges are fully functional, and the interior is complete with the exception of a tear on the driver's seat. This Chevy 2500 is a solid and reliable classic that's ready to hit the road. Number 5.
1986 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, with 170,000 miles, finished in black with a striking red interior.
It's powered by a 1996 TBI 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission.
The truck has seen a number of recent upgrades, including a new Edelbrock fuel pump, alternator, fuel tank with floater, power steering pump and box, billet steering wheel, and headers. It also features a 3.5 drop with new Beltec lowering shocks, new Cooper Cobra tires, and updated brakes with new master cylinders and shoes. The front end has been refreshed with an all-new grille and LED headlights, and the paint is just 2 years old. Despite the upgrades, there are a few known issues. The speedometer is the only working gauge, the crankshaft bolt is snapped inside the block, and the transmission occasionally slips gears.
Number 6.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, featuring an automatic transmission. It comes finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, giving it a clean and timeless look. It runs on gasoline and has undergone several important upgrades to ensure it stays roadworthy and reliable. The previous owner replaced the engine, which now has approximately 30,000 miles on it. The current owner upgraded the transmission, which has about 10,000 miles since installation. They also addressed common aging issues by replacing all the weather stripping and welding in new sheet metal on the rocker panels to stop rust from spreading. Additionally, rust that had been previously painted over was carefully removed, preparing the truck for future touch-ups to the paint. The air conditioning system is fully functional, and the truck is ready to pass inspection, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a vintage yet dependable ride.
Number 7. 1995 Ford F250, price $10,000. This is a solid and reliable truck with 140,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 7.5-liter gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers dependable performance for both work and everyday use. The exterior is finished in clean white, complemented by a well-maintained gray interior that reflects the overall excellent condition of the vehicle. Both the interior and exterior are in remarkably clean shape, showing clear signs of care and maintenance over the years. The air conditioning blows cold and the heater works well, making it comfortable in any season. This truck comes with a clean title and has already passed smog, with documentation in hand, making it ready for the road. Number 8. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, with only 68,500 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a sleek gray exterior paired with a clean black interior. The vehicle runs great and is equipped with a lift kit, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved off-road capability. It sits on a solid set of great tires and features power windows and locks for added convenience. The Chevy shows no signs of rust on the floor or door sills, highlighting its excellent overall condition. All lights and blinkers are fully functional, and every gauge on the dashboard works properly. The air conditioning system is operational and only needs a can of Freon to blow cold air again. Inside, the truck has been fully refreshed with new carpet, a re-upholstered bench seat, updated gauge and a seat doorplate kit, as well as a new radio and speaker setup. Both the engine and transmission are in excellent shape, making it a reliable choice for everyday driving or weekend cruising. It comes with a clean Texas title, ready for its next owner. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It starts right up with no hesitation and offers a smooth, enjoyable ride thanks to its automatic transmission. Dressed in a bold black exterior with a matching black interior, this truck has a timeless, clean look that turns heads wherever it goes. It's equipped with a sound system, adding some modern flair and making it a great choice for weekend cruises or everyday driving. While it runs and drives well, the truck would benefit from some additional care and attention, ideal for someone who enjoys working on and restoring vintage vehicles. Included in the sale are a number of extra parts, such as new doors, door handles, an additional tailgate, and other useful components, giving the next owner a great head start on upgrades or restorations. The truck comes with a clean blue title and is ready to be transferred to its new owner without hassle. Number 10. 1995 Ford F150, price $6,500, clean example of a classic pickup, showing only 117,000 miles. It comes in a green exterior with a gray interior, powered by the famously reliable 4.9L inline 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and features dual fuel tanks. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, injectors, valve cover and intake manifold gaskets, shocks on all four corners, gas tanks, fuel pumps, and fuel filters. The passenger side has all new ball joints and tie rods, plus a fresh alignment. It also has new front fenders, headlights, taillights, and LED upgrades for both headlights and reverse lights. Inside, it's equipped with Apple/Android CarPlay. The bed was removed, taken down to bare metal, repainted, and greased thoroughly. Wheel wells were replaced by the previous owner, and the tires still have good tread.